Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Came info. Sony announced a new FR7 camera. The FR7 is actually an FX3 camera in the form of a PTZ camera. You can control your cinema camera movements with your tab in your hands. The FR7 PTZ camera features flexible PoE++, power over Ethernet, installation up to 100 preset positions, tally lamps, a built-in electronic ND filter, 5-pin XLR audio input, and multi-camera functions like Timecode and Genlock. Versatile control options include an IR remote, compatibility with controllers like the Sony FR7 computer, and a remote web app for tablets and computers. Major features: supports up to UHD 4K 120 video, Sony E-mount lens, interchangeability, 4K full-frame sensor, 12G SDI, HDMI and streaming output, variable electronic ND filter, smooth, slow pan and tilt, movement IR, IP and web app, remote control, flexible PoE and installation, Genlock, Timecode and tally lamps. Price of the Sony FR7 camera, $9,699.